In this video, I'll show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest so you can start earning money. So first we need to go over to the Amazon affiliate website. So to do that, type in Amazon Associates in Google, or you can just go to this URL here. Now once you're here, you can recommend products on Amazon, any products, and you can earn commissions when people buy them. So if we scroll down here, you can see we can sign up for the Amazon affiliate website. We can then recommend products, and then we can earn up to 10% in commissions when someone buys that product. So if you scroll up and you click here where it says sign up, you can just sign up for an account. So after you've clicked on sign up, you can then create your Amazon Associates account. You just need to give them your account information, which is going to be your name and address. You need to enter in your website so they can review it. Then you can just enter in some more personal information on the profile section, and then you're done. You can start using the Amazon Associates program. Now, once you log into your Amazon Associates program, here is the dashboard. And if you scroll down here, I'll just show you some earnings in case you're unfamiliar with what that looks like. So this is the back end of the Amazon Associates program. Now what we can do is we can start to promote products. Now you don't actually do this on the back end of the Amazon affiliate program. You can actually do this straight away on Amazon. Okay, so here I am on Amazon. You can see once you've been approved for the Amazon Associates program and you're logged in, you'll have this new gray bar appear at the top of Amazon. Now here you can find your affiliate link and you can add it once you're on a specific product. So if I go ahead and go to, let's say, this product here, this dash cam. Let's say we wanted to promote this product, which is $101. We could then get our link here using this bar. So if you go to get link and then click text, you'll be then able to generate a text link. So we'll click text and you can then generate a shortened link or a full link, which we can copy. And this link will redirect to this product, and if someone was to buy it, we'll earn up to 10% in commission. Now, because we're promoting our Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest, you need to have some content here, whether that's a video like this one or an image. You need to create some content which you can promote your link with. Now, the best way to do that is to go to a website called canva.com, and then if you go to the search bar, you can just type in Pinterest. And here you'll be given some options here. So we've now got Pinterest pin, which we can click on. Now we can see 10,000 Pinterest pins, and we can also scroll down on the left and we can go ahead and choose the free ones. So now we've got all of the free Pinterest pins. Now I don't know why sometimes it shows you the paid ones, but just filter through these and you will find a free one. Now you can edit these however you want, and obviously they're going to need to match your Pinterest theme if that's what you're going for. But for me, I'm just going to go to Amazon, I'm going to right click and save this image here. So if we click on it, it should open up in a new window. We can save image as. I'll just save it to my downloads here. And then what I can do is I can drag this onto Canva. Okay, so here is the image. We're just going to upload it. And you can see it kind of like snaps on the pin, which is good. So now we've got this image on our pin. We can also delete text. So I'm going to delete this one and I'll move this bar up. And I'll also move this text up as well. And I'm going to delete this text at the bottom. And we're just going to make this text a bit bigger. And then I can recenter this. And once I'm happy with my pin, this isn't the best pin, but again, it's for an example. We can go to share in the top right hand corner. And then we can click on download. And you can then download this pin as a PNG file. We can now then go and upload this to our Pinterest board. So once you're on Pinterest, you obviously need an account and you probably need a niche and a theme as well. I'm just going to use my tutorial profile. So if I go to my profile icon in the top right hand corner, it will take me here. Now I can click on this pin icon in the right hand corner and we can go to pin. Then we can add our title. So I'm just going to add our title and call it something like the best dash cam under $150. I'm then going to click here where we can drag and drop our upload. So I'm going to then go to downloads and we'll upload this file here that we've just downloaded from Canva. Then we can add a destination link. Now this destination link needs to be our affiliate link. So if we go back to Amazon, we can then go to the top left hand corner. Make sure you're on your product, go to get link, click text, and then you can copy your short Amazon link, then go back to Pinterest and enter in the destination link. Then you can tell everyone about your pin, so just write a unique description, use some hashtags like dashcam in my case, and then we can go ahead and go up here. We can then create a new board, and I might want to call this dashcams. Then we can create this board. Now we can save this and this pin should then be posted to our profile. And there you go, there is our pin. And when someone was to go to this and click on it, it should then redirect them to Amazon in a second. And then if they then buy this product for $101, we're going to earn about $7 to $10.